As you can see, people are starting to wake up. It's about 6 in the morning right now, and we are on our way to Azusa, California. And you'll see why in a little bit. Grand adventures. On the road again. This is my son Levi's channel, and when we went to California, he ended up filming for me because my phone was really messing up and I could barely use it at all. So he did the filming of this RV carport teardown, and I will be getting the other part 1, part 2, part 3. But if you want to watch this one, it's on my son's channel, and I do have it listed in my playlist under Blissful Acres videos, something like that. Again, you'll see that picture of me, and you'll know that's the one you want to watch, and it'll take you directly to Levi's. Please leave comments. Levi now actually has 36 subscribers. How exciting. Well, we made it home safely from Azusa, California. Got to spend time with my son, and we tore down an RV carport and brought that home in our pickup truck. Problem was going to be trying to get it off the truck, and Rob managed to do it by himself by pulling off the railroad ties. So these are the railroad ties that we have that will secure the new greenhouse. This is the frame with the bolts, and we taped them up to keep them all together. And here's the bolts that we saved. Sorry guys, it's very bright out here. And now it's deciding where we want to put our greenhouse, and we'll be working on that as soon as it cools down a bit. We got a couple, we're behind a couple of projects because the weather has been so hot. So we'll be waiting on that. But this right here will soon be our new greenhouse. These are wild donkeys, and they're not in Blissful Acres off-grid Homestead neck of the woods. They're in California. They must have followed us. See, let me get a close-up. There was 2 of them. I don't know where the other one went, but this one here is truly enjoying the weeds. You can tell it's a busy street too. So, but they're wild, and they came down and decided they wanted to munch a little bit. At least he found a green spot. Remember the time the donkey put his head through the window, Ella? It scared you to death. Through the car window, huh?
Yeah, like, wah!
Wah! You wanted away from that donkey sticking its head in.